Hello all and welcome back. Today we are going to create this beautiful infographic using PowerPoint. So let's get started. Let's first enable the guides and then format the background with two-step linear gradient. Change the top colors with light gray and white color and then change the gradient direction. Next, go to Insert tab and then draw a rectangle shape. Align it centrally along vertical and horizontal guides. Now format this rectangle shape with same two-step linear gradient. Change the right side top color with even darker shade of gray color and then change the gradient direction. Next, format this outline with again same two-step linear gradient, but make sure the gradient direction of outline and the fill color are opposite to each other. Increase the outline weight to 1.25 points and then apply the outer shadow effect. Adjust the distance and blur values until we get desired shadow effect. Next, go to Insert tab and then draw a circle shape on top of this rectangle holding down Ctrl and Shift keys. Now, making use of Format Painter, format the circle in the same way as that of rectangle shape. Change the direction of outer shadow effect and then adjust the distance and blur values until we get desired shadow effect. Now duplicate this circle using Ctrl+D. Remove the outer shadow effect and the outline and then change the gradient direction in the opposite way. Align both the circles one over the other and then reduce the duplicate circle size holding down Ctrl and Shift keys. Next, go to Insert tab and then draw another circle at the same position holding down Ctrl and Shift keys. Make it no fill and then change its outline color using eyedropper tool. Select all three circles and group them together. Now holding down Ctrl and Shift keys, drag the circle group to the bottom of rectangle shape to create the duplicate. Similarly, drag it few more times to make total of 4 circle groups. Select all the circle groups holding down Ctrl key and then distribute them vertically. Next, go to Insert tab and then draw a rounded rectangle shape holding down Shift key along the center axis of first circle group. Adjust the roundness if required, remove the outline and then format this shape with same two-step linear gradient. Change the top colors using eyedropper tool. Apply inner shadow effect and then reduce the distance value to 1 point. Now drag this shape holding down Ctrl key to create the duplicates and place them along the center axis of remaining circle groups. Let's quickly change the gradient colors using eyedropper tool. Also change the outline color of center circle using eyedropper tool. Next, go to Insert tab and then draw a rectangle shape along the vertical axis, and the height of this rectangle must be equal to the diameter of second circle. Remove its outline and then format this shape with same two-step linear gradient. Change the gradient direction and adjust the stop colors if required. Send it to back, and next we will create a shadow effect at the bottom of the shape. Go to Insert tab and then draw a right angle triangle. Flip it horizontally and then rotate it by 90 degrees. Remove its outline and format this shape with same two-step linear gradient. Change the right side stop color with darker shade of grey color and adjust the angle as shown. Set left side stop color to 100% transparency. Adjust the stop positions if required, and then go to soft edges feature to increase its value until we get desired shadow effect. Adjust the size and then align it along the rectangle shape, and then finally send it to back. That looks perfect. Now select this rectangle and shadow shapes and group them together. Next, create the duplicates using Ctrl+D and then place it along the other group of circle shapes. Finally, add all PNG icons and text fields onto our design. Let's speed up to save time. So here is the final preview. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.